Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make all of my sweatshirts, t-shirts, tote bags, and how I get my design on them. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing we need is our blank apparel. You can use t-shirt, sweatshirt, or even a tote bag. But today I'm going to be pressing this pink sweatshirt. I also have my Teflon sheet ready, some heat transfer tape, and our heat press, which I'm going to preheat to 320 degrees. So I use something called a direct-to-film transfer. I send my design on a gang sheet to a manufacturer. A gang sheet is just a certain size sheet where you can fit as many designs as possible. And I really like these. They're better than vinyl. They have this like glue material on the back and they work really well. You can just Google DTF Transfer company and a whole bunch will pop up. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press my sweatshirt just to remove any moisture. So I'll just press it for a few seconds. Then I'm going to lint roll the area where my design will go. Go ahead and grab a t-shirt ruler just to make sure the design gets lined up right in the center. Once I'm happy with the placement, I will take my heat transfer tape, and I only use a little bit just to keep the design in place when I transfer it over to the heat press. I'm gonna move it over to my heat press and just make sure the design is lined up. This heat press is a 9x12 and this design is a little bit bigger, so I just wanna make sure it is on the actual portion of the heat press. I'm gonna lay my Teflon sheet down and then press it at 318 degrees for 15 seconds. And since this design is a little bit bigger, I'm going to move the sweatshirt up a little bit and then press it again for a few more seconds. Once that's done, I'm gonna move the sweatshirt over to a flat surface, let it cool, and once it's cool to the touch, go ahead and peel the transfer paper. Whenever I have a design that has small letters or fine detail, I have to be extra careful whenever I'm peeling the transfer so that none of the design gets peeled up. But that's it. That's how I make my apparel. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.